Hello everybody, welcome back to Old School Sprinklers. Today I decided to switch it up a little bit and I dug out one of my catalogs, the old FEBCO automatic manual lawn sprinkler equipment catalog. Since I was doing some FEBCO heads here a few days ago, I decided to break out the catalog, and I have a few of these. And this was FEBCO controllers on Glen Oaks in Sun Valley, California. Originally they were downtown Los Angeles. I'm just going to go page by page here. So this is their old catalog from the spring of 1954. Here's a picture of their building. And they had some other representatives in Seattle, Washington, Portland, Oregon, San Francisco. And this is their main office and factory on Blake Avenue in Los Angeles. I looked it up on the internet. That building is still there, but is definitely not a FEBCO sprinkler manufacturing company. It's some kind of a restaurant or something that's there now. Excuse me. And then onto the pages here. Here's some of the sprinkler heads. And if you remember, I showed you some of the sprinkler heads I had about a week ago that I put out there for testing. And there they are there. So actually their numbers on some of these heads they're not even listed on the catalog. This must be an older catalog. Anyways, I thought I'd share this catalog with you, and let's keep going through the pages. So they have all the parts and stuff that you could choose from with all the descriptions, numbers, weight of parts that they weighed in at when they were selling them. Some of these things I still have here. I actually saved some of them, like this type of bubbler head here. I have got a couple of those. And actually these Skinner type nozzles, I have some. The old backflow devices that they have back in the day. I don't think these are available anymore. FEBCO is still around as far as their name is concerned, and they make the more modern type backflows, but not the older ones. There was a project that they had done. They had designed and helped build with. It was Metropolitan Life Insurance Company apartment development in Los Angeles. It's on 2 pages here. So they had sent out their people to engineer it, design it, and get it installed. I don't even know if that complex is even there anymore. And here's, even back in 1954, they had some other type of irrigation controllers. They're basically old hydraulic controllers. And that one shows discontinued back in 1954. Believe it or not, that remote control valve that you see there were made then. They're discontinued. But actually, I have one of those. I had, my travels over the years, I discovered one at a job site. It was actually a 2-inch, which was this one. And I removed it out of the ground, and I still have it to this day. Eventually, you'll see that on a video. And here's the automatic controller. This is a hydraulic controller back in the day. It's called an E16. It was a pedestal type controller that kind of looked like that there, highlighted in the green. And this is actually the timing mechanism that controlled it. And believe it or not, you're going to see this too. I have actually one of these I saved from a project when they were replacing them at a job site, and I kept one. So I actually have the whole entire assembly with all the wiring and the hydraulic control lines and so forth. You'll see that. And here's some more data, table and line load schedules for pipe sizes, friction losses in water, layout data, and engineering service. So that was the back of the 1954 catalog. Excuse me. In this book, then they have a lot more details of part numbers, of FEBCO hydraulic control parts back in the day. And I just got this whole big catalog. That's endless, full of stuff. Anyways, thought I'd share this with you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here today.